Today we are making a breakfast burrito. So today we're making a breakfast burrito. I've made this previously before. I've gotten the inspiration from Snooze EATERY, which is like one of Jerome and I's our favorite brunch spots. We always get the breakfast burrito and it's so freaking good. Okay, here is the rundown. Throw some oil in the pan, and then I start chopping up my potatoes, and then I throw them in there, and I kind of forget about them for a little while, if we're being honest. I'll like just start kind of moving around the house and doing laundry and folding and putting stuff away. I don't know, I feel like potatoes in the morning are just a perfect time to just get little tidy things done. So you pretty much just want to make your potatoes to your likeliness. If you like them a little bit crispy, if you like them kind of soft, really just whatever you prefer. I like them crispy, but I feel like I always burn everything. I'm Sydney and I burn everything. I swear I don't burn everything all the time, but I just feels like I do. Side note, the first time I made this burrito, I made it with eggs. And as I talked yesterday to Jerome, I was like, hey, I'm gonna make that burrito again for breakfast. He was like, can you not put eggs in mine, or can you like pick one, like eggs and beans? I just don't like the way the eggs and beans felt together. And I was like, today, like 80-60ing the eggs as a whole. So you can make this recipe with eggs as well, or you can make it like how I did and not have the eggs. I would try it with eggs at first because I mean I personally liked it, but whatever Jerome likes, I just kind of roll with it. Okay, after the potatoes are at its crispiness or to your liking, what I do is I just get a little bowl, paper towels. I want to kind of drain the grease from it, and I just throw them all in a bowl, kind of put them to the side. Then from there, I grab my bacon. We got this bacon at Costco, and it was already pre-cooked, which has screwed me up because I overcook it every time. I know I'm not even really supposed to cook it via stovetop. They recommend either microwaving or baking, but I'm just too lazy to bake and impatient to bake, and I really wanted to make it just in one pan instead of all these dang dishes. So I ended up just throwing it on top of the stovetop, let the bacon cook, and then from there, you pretty much do the same thing like you did, but instead of a bowl, you just grab a plate and you let the bacon sit, all within the same pan. After you grabbed the bacon and you put it on the side and took it out of the pan, you now are going to pop in some of your refried beans or frijoles. I use all the bacon grease, and then literally you just mix in the beans and all of the bacon grease and the extra juices, and it's just so good. And after the beans are all done, go ahead and put that to the side as well. So now we assemble the burrito. I don't know how to fold a burrito.